You can't park that there, mate.
Fuck off!
Hey, Knuckleheart, can we go thrift shopping?
It's as if a puppet got out of its strings and you just told him the strings. What the heck happened? You should have been there. And then learned, oh, good job! Good job! Through the red! I got that on dash cam! I thought he was applying the brakes. You are, but...
Hadouken!
Keep left. In 600 metres, turn right onto Western Highway towards Midland.
What a douchebag. You're shit.
Event emergency recording.
You surprise me to how shit you are.
Event emergency recording.
CJ is OJ6.
You dumbass, it's a red light. Fucking idiot.
and each time you split, you can create new versions of yourself. But they will be new versions of yourself. They will have different views than you. They will argue with you or fight with you or mutiny against you in Kern's case.
And I believe it's also mentioned that at any given time you can kind of go back and re-up on imprinting. So like if you go off and have your own experiences for 5 years, you can.
What was that? What? Oh, shit!
Fuck it.
I guess I have an opinion. All I can say is I think it'll be
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
After 100 meters onto Navigational Boulevard.
Building Hickey,
Now turn left.
Dean from Scotland, and many, many more. So stay tuned, as I know that you would anyway, on ABC Radio from 7 o'clock tonight.
After 200 meters, leave the roundabout at the third exit onto English Street.
A bit more about that a little later in the program. Right now, though, we're talking season in a minute, but first Marcus Padley joins you from the Marcus Today newsletter. Hi, Marcus.
Please take the third exit.
I heard one of the best team building exercises was to hire out a comedy stage and have all of your staff tell one stand-up joke. Yeah.
A team building exercise?
Yeah, no, I think it'd be good. I mean, you got to
Please turn left after 200 meters onto Matthews Avenue.
So anyway, apparently the most
couldn't think of anything worse.
Imagine that the most surprising things that surprise you, apparently.
Oh, there you go. Have you done it? Have you at the Marcus Today
No,
newsletter?
I haven't, but if I did, I would be hilarious.
Of course.
Price for Bitcoin from 1.5 million, which is, well, 3.5 million, which is basically 50 times the current $70,000 price of Bitcoin. There you go, 50 bagger.
You amazingly shit
Navigator. Pay their dividends on Thursday, so that's a few billion comes into the market. We're waiting for Australia.
Oi! Jesus Christ, bike. Yeah, there's lane splitting and then there's stupidity lane splitting, because that's, you look at that one, you're in front of me, man, I can't get past you. Wow. Turn right. Wow. Wow, what? The bloody Argus of fire. Wait, not.
That's easy for you to say.
Desist and leave here now, mister! Move it, move it, move it. Now!
100 people and people who turn up who aren't invited, and one of them's got a knife. I mean, that's just, that's uncivilized nonsense, isn't it?
Well, I just think that it's part of what we've seen the last few years is that people feel like they can operate in a pretty permissive environment where nothing's really going to happen. They think they can do things with impunity, and we've seen a massive increase in violent crime, and I think that's probably a flow on.
Back tomorrow at 6 a.m, the Mike Hosking Breakfast with the F-Pace electric hybrid news talk.
I'll walk you down the way to introduce you.
The mother of New Zealand lawyer Mitch Easter, who died in a suspected hit and run in Sydney, has spoken of her unbearable.
Yeah, put an indicator in when you've already pulled off, you fucking idiot.